Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. If you go a funeral and everybody did a ball and a go on, our man come touch the coffin and talk to a dead man, and the dead man get up and start to talk, how way you would have do? Eh? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God, talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now at the best time if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. If you make sure say you no miss none of what I go on right here, so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, we're going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 7 from verse 11 to verse 17. Little after that, Jesus and his special follower them left go the town where they call Nain, and one big crowd follow him. When Jesus did near to reach the town gate, some people did carry out one dead body to go bury. Him did the uncle boy picnic for one woman where husband dead. Whole heap of people from the town did a walk with her. When the Lord see her, him sorry for her and tell her say, "Hush, no bother ball." Then Jesus go touch the coffin, and the man them where did I carry it tap. Jesus say, "You man, get up." The man get up and start talk, and Jesus give him back to his mother. Everybody frightened, and them start praise God. Them say, one of the prophet them there amongst we, one powerful man. God come for helping people them. The news about Jesus spread all over Judea and the district them where they near it. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.